What's up guys, it's your boy Z here, and today, I don't know if you could tell, but I'm really psyched. Now about a year and a half ago, I decided for Black Friday to just purchase a DSLR camera. And so what I did was I went to the local camera store and I bought a Nikon D3300. And that camera literally changed my life. That's why I'm out here in LA doing photography and videography. And that's why I decided to redo YouTube as well. And with the work I've been able to get, it allows me to upgrade my gear. Now don't get me wrong, the Nikon D3300 is an amazing beginner camera for both video and photos. But now it's time to put my game and take it up a notch. And after doing some research, I concluded that I was gonna buy a Canon 80D because I wanted a hybrid camera that can do both videos and photos, as well as have that flip out screen for me to be able to vlog with. Since I do all my shopping on Amazon, I found a pretty cool deal that's about $1,500 that includes the body, a few lenses, and then some accessories here and there. So today, we are going to unbox this massive box and see what we can find. Again, this was $1,500 on Amazon, and hopefully everything turned out well, nothing was broken. Now this is just the unboxing. I will compare the Nikon D3300 and the Canon 80D at a later time, but obviously I gotta get the camera out of the box before I can do that. So let's do it. Shing! So this is the most I've ever spent on any sort of equipment before. This is probably the most I've ever spent on anything materialistic. So this big box has smaller boxes in it. Oh my god! How come the smaller box is heavier than the bigger box? Shoot this. Okay, small box. Oh, yeah, here we go. Alright, now we get to the goods. We'll do the small stuff first. In this little bag, let's open it, see what we can find. First up, we have some filters, some 58mm UV filters to put on our camera lens. Next up, we have some SD cards. And then, if your computer is ancient and you don't have an SD card reader built in, there you go. Oh, and this is really clutch. This is a rechargeable battery for the Canon. It's not Canon brand, but it should work just fine. I'll probably get some more Canon batteries anyways, but this is cool. And last but not least, this is the remote for the camera. Yeah, if I can't click the shutter, beep. This is the company that I bought it from. 33rd Street Camera. I will link their website in the description below, but this is what they said. Thank you for choosing 33rd Street Camera for all your professional camera needs. We highly appreciate your business and work extremely hard to ensure 100% customer satisfaction. They misspelled extremely. Grammar doesn't matter, I guess. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied with you, come on guys, with you shopping experience, come on! Thank you for your business and more importantly for taking your time to share your experience with our company. Alright, so 33rd Street Camera, you guys haven't, other than some grammar mistakes, you haven't disappointed me yet, but let's continue. Alright, so up next we have a Vivitar Professional LED video light. Now I already have a video light, but it never hurts to have another one. Especially this one's smaller, so I'll be able to carry this around if needed. What about this bag? The big reason why I got this bundle is because it came with a bag. The bag itself should be fine, but let's check it out. Let's open the bag. See how much stuff we can fit in here. Alright, look at that. Wabam! That's pretty cool. You can fit 3 lenses. You can put the body right here, and then put the lens right here, and then you can fit some other stuff. Don't eat that. Let's do another small thing. This is a travel charger, which is going to be super clutch because it has a car charger as well as a converter for whenever I'm traveling overseas, which hopefully is soon. That's going to be really nice. Alright, up next, a 57-inch tripod. Oh, it's a monopod. It's got a carrying case. And it fits right in that backpack, so that's gonna be nice. Alright, now let's go to some more stuff. Oh, even got a nice extra shotgun microphone by Vivitar. Now right now I'm using a Rode mic, which does me pretty well, but it never hurts to have more. Damn, not padding, goodness. Oh, this is a bag. Nice little bag that comes with it, that's cool. And boom, this is the mic, shotgun mic. It's pretty big. It's light though. And the dead kitten, put over the mic in case it's really windy. So boom, backup mic. Okay, so now let's finally get to some good stuff. We start out with the body, Canon EOS 80D. I'm hoping that you're gonna take me places. And it's already got the 18 through 55 STM kit lens. Let's open you up, debut you to the viewers. Alright, so charger, check. Battery, check. Kit lens, check. 18 through 55. So this will mainly be my vlogging lens until I get a wide angle lens. Camera strap, very important. And then the money maker. I don't know why I said it like that. Oh wow, this is awesome. I'm so psyched. Look at that. Oh man, this is so much bigger than this camera. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but you know, I guess size matters sometimes. Now this also came with the bundle is the power grip, where you can put an extra battery in so that you'll never, hopefully, run out of power. It also adds some extra grip for your DSLR whenever you're doing portraits and other things. We have 3 lenses left. Let's go from small to big, shall we? Biggest, and I mean the biggest reason why I chose this bundle was because this came with it. This is the 50mm 1.8 STM lens, and it's a lens that so many people raved about because 1, it's a little bit cheaper than normal, and 2, what you get with it is just amazing depth of field. Your subject's gonna look amazing, all from this little lens. So I cannot wait to start taking pictures with this. Next up is the 55 to 250mm lens. I knew I wanted some sort of zoom lens because I like a lot of close-ups in my photos. Bam. I always think this looks funny. And last but definitely not least, this was just kind of an add-in, but I'm actually excited to see what I can do with this. This is a 500mm telephoto lens by Ultimax. 500mm is extremely zoomed in. I've never dealt with a lens like this before, but I mean, you know, you learn something every day. Boom! Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Alright, so to summarize what we all got for $1,500, we got UV filters, SD cards, we got an SD card reader, an extra battery, a remote control, LED light, bag / camera case, you got a travel charger, you got a monopod, you got a boom mic, you got the body with the camera strap, the batteries, as well as the 18 through 55 kit lens. You got the deluxe power grip, 50mm 1.8. You got the 55 to 250 STM. Then you got the 500mm telephoto zoom lens. So we'll see if this bundle actually pays off in the long run. I'm really excited to start playing with all these. And once again, this is just an unboxing. I'm gonna do a video comparing this Nikon D3300 with the new 80D. And I'll do some more videos to compare lenses. Plus, I also just got a new gimbal, so make sure you look out for that video. I'll link the Amazon link to this bundle in the description below. If you think that you would use all of this, this is a pretty good deal. It all came in one piece, so I'm pretty satisfied with it for now. We'll see if it stays that way. If you think this is the right fit for you, then click on it, support 33rd Street Camera, comment that they need a new letter. They need some grammar lessons up in there, but they gave me some good products, so thank you, 33rd Street Camera. And that's pretty much it, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure you thumb this video up. You also subscribe to me. More videos to come. I'll be posting at least twice a week, and I'll be traveling once again, so I'll make sure to document my adventures there. I could use this as a baseball bat. Woo! Alright, until next time, I will see you later. Woo!